Hello, this is Jason Hull with Hull Financial Planning, and I'm here with today's Personal Finance Frequently Asked Questions series. Today's question is, what do I need to consider when purchasing life insurance? Thinking about life insurance is difficult for many people because it causes us to face our mortality and think about a world in which we are no longer living. It's kind of a scary thought. Still, it's an important decision to make, particularly if you have dependents. Here are my rules of thumb for life insurance considerations. 1. Go with term life insurance. There are very few reasons in which anything but term life is appropriate, and most of them have to do with estate planning and sheltering considerations. 2. If you have an income, then you want to leave enough to be able to replace that income. That means that you should be insured for 10 to 15 times your annual income plus the amount to pay off all of your debts. 3. If you're a stay-at-home parent, then you should consider the cost of hiring household help to replace you in the event that you pass. I'd aim to get approximately $500,000 worth of insurance. Could be less if you have older children. 4. If you want to leave an inheritance to your children or to someone else, life insurance is a good way to do that tax-free. However, you need to make sure that you're not the owner of the insurance policy and that your estate is not the beneficiary. There are some tax considerations that have to do with life insurance. You're best to check with your CPA or with a financial planner to find out what those are and to make sure that you comply in a way that means that you don't get taxed or your beneficiaries don't get taxed on the proceeds if you do pass. And 5th, if some status change occurs in your life, like you get a divorce or one of your beneficiaries dies, make sure that you change your policy. I doubt that you want the proceeds of your insurance policy to go to the ex, but if you don't change the beneficiaries of your policy, that's exactly what will happen if you pass. Life insurance is an inexpensive way to protect your family and your dependents against the catastrophic impacts of your death. But with a variety of insurance policies that are available, it's also a good way for you to line the pockets of an insurance salesman. Keep it simple and make sure that you're adequately insured.